So after you brought the roots into the wash station, and again, we talked about bringing them as quick as possible, keep them drying out with dirt from hardening on them. There's a couple different ways to wash them. So we've got this set up, but let's talk about the two ways we're not washing them. So one way would be to have a screening table like this with a lip on it, and just to lay the roots out over all of that, and then just spray them off, and then push them around and spray them off again, and then just go into a container. The other way, which is a very common way for larger quantities, is to use a barrel washer. So that's a rotating drum that has water spraying in it. You dump your roots in at one end, and out the other end they come clean. So that's a very popular way as well. And if you're doing over 400 or 500 pounds of roots a week, then that's probably best for you to purchase something like that. But this way we've got kind of a U setup. So in this right here, we've got all our roots that have just come in, and normally it should be piled up. And the beauty of a rolling system is that these are heavy crates, and so not having to carry those around, just put them on a thing like this. And then this area here is more for the cleaning aspects. We've got a bin that's being pulled out of, and they're going into these kind of crates, and just being basically washed at the bottom of those. And then that crop is ending up in this crate right here, which will sit on this crate before it actually gets drained and pushed in the cooler. So let's kind of talk through this a little bit. So the other thing about pre-soaking roots. So on large farms, they're using 20 bushel containers. They'll actually line that 20 bushel container with a plastic sleeve. And then right before they wash it, they'll actually fill that with water so those roots are soaking for an hour or two. And that really loosens the dirt and makes their washing a lot faster. And so as you can see here, what we're doing is, I'm just going to go ahead, and we're going to do this a little bit later, but I'm just going to spray this off a little bit. And go ahead and spray off the other ones as well. And so those will just start pre-soaking while we go ahead and wash all these. So the other thing with washing is you need either volume of water or pressure. And so that's really important to either, if you have a low volume of water, turn the pressure up to like 40 to 60 psi, or to have a really good volume of water to wash the roots off with. You see this, so actually we put them in there, and we're going to just take some out of here and just dump them into the spot. Get that right there. Now we can just go ahead and clean all of these. Just change that a bit. Rinse some of these off, go back, start with this one again. Matt, tell me how dirty how clean these things need to be.
That looks good for us.
Okay, so like this is all.
This is as good as it's gonna get.
So as you can see here, we've got a couple different, what we consider seconds. This one's been speared, this one's not a straight one, and then this one's kind of just ugly here. So anything that really looks ugly, and then broken ones too, would be going either a second or would go in and it really depends on your grading in your pack house. But you just want to make sure that you do have a specific grade. So like this, I would consider a second too. And then just stick with that so your customer is getting consistent quality from you.